A uniform rod of 2 mm square cross section is heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Find the force in Newton which must be exerted over its ends to prevent expansion. Given thermal conductivity of the rod alpha L equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 Kelvin raised to minus 1 and Young's modulus Y equal to 10 raised to 11 Pascal. Given cross-sectional area A is equal to 2 mm square. On converting to meter square, 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Difference of temperature between the two ends of the rod 20 minus 0 equal to 20 degree Celsius. In Kelvin scale also the temperature difference remains the same, that is 20 Kelvin. Given thermal conductivity of rod alpha L is equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 Kelvin raised to minus 1 and Young's modulus Y equal to 10 raised to 11 Pascal. We have delta L by L equal to alpha L into delta T. On cross multiplying, delta L is equal to alpha L into L into delta T. This is equation number 1. Young's modulus Y equal to F into L by A into delta L. Now F is equal to YA delta L by L. On substituting for delta L from equation 1, so we can substitute for delta L here as alpha L into delta T. The L get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. YA alpha L delta T. So on substituting Y 10 raised to 11, A 2 into 10 raised to minus 6, alpha L 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 and temperature difference delta T equal to 20, we get F is equal to 48 Newton. A cylindrical rod made of a material whose coefficient of linear expansion is 8 into 10 raised to minus 6 Kelvin raised to minus 1 is heated from 273 to 373 Kelvin. Find the percentage increase in the area of curved surface of the rod. Given the coefficient of linear expansion alpha L is equal to 8 into 10 raised to minus 6 Kelvin raised to minus 1 and the difference of temperature between the two ends of the rod, that is delta T is equal to 373 minus 273 equal to 100 Kelvin. We have the coefficient of area expansion alpha A equal to 2 times alpha L. The equation for alpha A is delta A by A into 1 by delta T, where delta A is change in area and A original area. Delta A by A equal to 2 alpha L into delta T. On substituting the values, 2 into alpha L is 8 into 10 raised to minus 6 and difference of temperature delta T is equal to 100. We get 16 into 10 raised to minus 4. Percentage increase in area equal to delta A by A into 100, that is 16 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 100 equal to 0.16 percentage. So the percentage increase in area is 0.16 percentage.